Welcome to US Car Update, your trusted destination for everything on wheels, from cutting-edge technology to timeless classics. Today, we're diving into a legend of the automotive world at a vintage Mahindra Jeep, a vehicle that defines ruggedness and heritage like no other. The Mahindra Jeep isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a piece of history. Its bold and simple design commands attention with flat fenders, a vertical grille, and iconic round headlights. This timeless silhouette isn't about extravaganza, it's about functionality, built to withstand the toughest terrains and harshest conditions. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that reflects its utilitarian roots. A metal dashboard, straightforward gauges, and rugged seating remind us of a time when vehicles were crafted for endurance, not excess. Every detail inside serves a purpose, staying true to its rugged legacy. Under the hood, this vintage marvel boasts an engine designed for durability and performance. It's not about speed or flashy specs, it's about reliability. This powerhouse has conquered mountains, trails, and open roads, earning its reputation as a dependable companion for any adventure. Driving the Mahindra Jeep is a unique experience. The raw feel of the steering, the robust engine's rhythmic growl, and the commanding seating position take you back to an era when driving was as much about the connection with the vehicle as the journey itself. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of resilience and freedom, a testament to engineering that stands the test of time. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a vintage collector, or someone who appreciates classic design, the Mahindra Jeep is a story worth celebrating. Stay tuned for more deep dives into automotive legends and cutting-edge trends, only on US Car Update, where we bring car history and innovation to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for your regular dose of car updates.